बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नाज़रीन, आज आपको हम एक ऐसे नौजवान से तारफ़ करवाते हैं, बड़े एनर्जेटिक, बड़े ज़बरदस्त और बिज़नेसमैन है बरतानिया में। ये बरतानिया में ही पैदा हुए और सबसे जो बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि जो बरतानिया में हमारे बच्चे, हमारी जो जनरेशन है वो में पैदा हुई है और वो दे आर इंटरेस्टेड इन पाकिस्तानी पॉलिटिक्स एंड यूके पॉलिटिक्स एज वेल। ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है। ये आज हमारे स्टूडियो में तशरीफ़ लाए। बरतानिया मिडलैंड से इनका तल्लक है। जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं ये पाकिस्तान खिदमत खलक लीग के मुदस्सर याकूब साहब। वी वेलकम टू यू आवर शो। हाउ डू यू डू सर? You are fine. So what do you want to say about your party, Pakistan Khidmat Khalq League?
I want to say, come forward.
First of all, introduce yourself, sir.
Okay, my name is Mudassir Yaqub from the West Midlands, Worcester.
UK Midland.
West Midlands.
UK West Midland, yes.
General Secretary of West Midlands. And inshallah, we want to create awareness for all the youngsters to come forward.
What's your purpose for joining this party? Why not you join other party like PTI, PMLN and other politics party?
Khidmat Khalq gives you a platform.
What problem?
To come and fight and stand for the
Fight for what?
betterment of Pakistan.
Betterment of Pakistan, that's right. What?
Or inshallah, we want to create an awareness for the youngsters and also all the educated youngsters to get involved in the politics here. It's not hard as they make it look like, but it's inshallah very interesting.
What do you think about Pakistani politics? Is that difficult or same like UK, or is very different type of politics in Pakistan?
Yes, it's a little bit different, but it's doable.
It's true.
It's doable.
True. All right. So, what's your next planning for your party? Like you are the general secretary of West Midland. So, what's your next planning for West Midland, East Midland? Obviously, Midland is big, county as well. Like in the United Kingdom. So, what you want to do over there, and what you want to do in here in Pakistan?
We want to first of all educate as many people as possible about the issues we have in Pakistan, also in Kashmir, the problem Kashmir has also for freedom as well. There's a lot of Kashmiris in UK who are fully aware of what's going on, but don't know how to come forward. Inshallah, we want you to come forward through Khidmat Khalq, and inshallah we'll give you a platform to get involved with, especially with Kashmir, for the betterment of the country.
Betterment of the country. You born in UK, yeah? You studying over there. You bred in over there. How come you in politics? Like you are a businessman as well. What's your passion?
Our whole family is from Pakistan, and we've always visited Pakistan. We live in a Pakistani community in UK, so everything does involve around Pakistan, our culture, our whole living. And inshallah, because we're visiting Pakistan all the time, you see the struggle the country is going through, and you want to do something about it.
I mean, you thinking the Pakistan Khidmat Khalq League is better than others party. That's why you joined this party, yeah? Is that correct?
I think the message Khidmat Khalq gives out is obviously, come and join the struggle. There's obviously other parties that got their own agendas, their own ways of doing things. But Khidmat Khalq I found it was straightforward, and inshallah wants to help the common man of Pakistan.
Who is the founder of Khidmat Khalq League?
That's Mahmood Khan.
Mr. Mahmood Khan. He's the founder of Khidmat Khalq League.
Yes.
Did you know him? Did you meet him?
Very, very good.
How is this person?
I've known him for a very long time.
Oh, that's good. That's fine.
And alhamdulillah, he's a very top barrister, deals with our immigration issues, and it's a very top.
So, what do you think? You want to contest next election in general election in Pakistan or in Azad Kashmir?
Inshallah, definitely, yes.
What do you think your party will win the election, or what do you think about next coming election?
Obviously, our aim is to get as many people aboard. spread the message, and inshallah,
I'm very glad, I'm very happy you joined the Pakistani politics, you born over there. Obviously, I know, their generation, they don't need, the Pakistani politics because, there is atmosphere is so many difference. So I'm very happy. What's your message for youngster, and what's your message for, the generation who live in UK and who live in UK and who is studying over there and who is the, solicitor, barrister, doctor and businessman as well?
If today the youngsters don't get involved, tomorrow the Pakistan politics will stay the same. It is our duty to now change the whole aspect of the politics in Pakistan.
So many difficulties here in this country, the justice system is too many different, law system is different, police system is very different. How are you going to survive here?
I think by coming here, you get to know how the system.
You want to change.
Yes, but we want to start off with the basic problems of Pakistan and the common man, the struggles he goes through, and start with that and then move forward upwards.
You are back home country, obviously you're interested in Pakistan, you like Pakistan nation, obviously you like the country as well, that's why you involve in this, Pakistani politics. I hope you will, inshallah, good job next coming election. So, any message for your audience?
I just want to say, people in Pakistan, it's time to wake up. No need to go, back to sleep. Wake up now and do something about Pakistan.
How long are you going to stay here in Pakistan?
Inshallah, I don't have long now. I've been here a good 3 months. And inshallah, I'll be back again soon.
Okay, that's fine. नाज़रीन, ये थे हमारे ओवरसीज तारकीन वतन जो जिनकी ख्वाहिश और जो आज से नहीं तकरीबन काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इन्हें पिछले 1.5 साल से ये पॉलिटिक्स में इन्होंने प्रॉपर ज्वाइनिंग की है, वहाँ पे बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। इनकी अपनी वहाँ पे यूनिट्स इन्होंने बनाए हैं मुख्तलिफ वहाँ पे टाउन्स में एशियन कम्युनिटी के साथ बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। इनकी ये ख्वाहिश है कि हमारे मुल्क में भी अच्छा तालीमी सिस्टम हो, जैसे इन्होंने कहा अच्छा जस्टिस सिस्टम हो, अच्छी पॉलिसिंग हो। ये चाहते हैं कि हमारा मुल्क भी तरक्की करे जैसे बाहर की दुनिया में बाकी मुल्क तरक्की कर रहे हैं। ये अच्छी बात है कि हमारे जो नौजवान हैं वहाँ पे वो इंटरेस्टेड है पॉलिटिक्स में, और इसका क्रेडिट गोज़ टू बैरिस्टर महमूद खान है, इस पार्टी एज वेल। इन्होंने जो वहाँ के यंगस्टर हैं उनको इस तरह लगाया है कि पाकिस्तान में आएँ, आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करें, हम आपकी सपोर्ट करेंगे जैसे भी हालात हो, जो भी पॉलिटिकल हालात होंगे, हम अपने पार्टीज़ के कारकुनों को उन्होंने सेफ्टी भी देंगे, उन्हें डिफेंड भी करेंगे और उनके साथ हम भरपूर ताउन भी करेंगे। ये बड़ा क्रेडिट जाता है, इसके लिए हम भी बड़े खुश हैं कि इस तरह की पार्टीज़ होनी चाहिए, चेंजिंग्स होनी चाहिए, मुल्क में अच्छा निज़ाम होना चाहिए ताकि वहाँ पे हमारी जनरेशन है उसको भी पता चले कि हमारे मुल्क में बेहतरीन जो है वो सिस्टम है, और हमारे जो लोग हैं डायस्पोरा जो बरतानिया या दुनिया के किसी भी मुल्क में रहते हैं वो भी पाकिस्तान में इंटरेस्टेड है, वो आते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, खुशी से आए जाए, हॉलीडे करें, सारा कुछ उनके लिए अच्छा यहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर हो। कैमरा मैन साथी रिपोर्टर के साथ अपने मेज़बान अबैदुर रहमान को स्टूडियो से इजाज़त दीजिएगा। अल्लाह ने के बाद।